Entering text in Excel is super easy. Just select the cell where you want the data and start typing. When you're done with the cell's entry, click the checkmark icon next to the formula bar, or just press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will place you in the next cell down in the worksheet. As an example, let's add some text to our empty worksheet. I'll create a small product list. First, I'll add a title of Product List to the worksheet. Next, I'll add some headings for our product data. Between each cell entry, I'll press the Tab key to move to the next cell to the right. As the last text items in my product list, I'll add some product names. I'll press Enter after each entry to get to the next cell down in the worksheet. Entering numbers is just as easy as entering text. Just type the number and press Enter or click the checkmark icon. Let me add the quantity on hand values to my list. You can enter specific types of number by including the symbol associated with that number for that type. For instance, if you type a $sign before a number, the number will be formatted as currency for the US. I'll add the sales prices for our products by typing a $sign and the amount. If you type a number and add a % sign after it, the number will be formatted as a percentage. I'll add my discount values to demonstrate this. There are other ways of formatting numbers and other types of formats that we can use. We'll look at this further in the formatting section of the course. You may have noticed that when I type a number, Excel aligned the text to the right in the cell, and when I type text, Excel aligned it to the left in the cell. Whenever you type data into a worksheet, Excel does its best to guess what kind of data it is and apply some formatting as appropriate. Sometimes Excel doesn't make the correct guess. It may think you're typing a number when you're really typing text. For instance, if you want to type a zip code with a leading 0, by default, Excel will drop the leading 0 because numbers don't need that leading 0. We don't need any zip codes in our product list, but I'll just type one in here to show you what I mean. The easiest way to keep the leading 0 in your zip code is to type an apostrophe before you start your entry. This will keep the leading 0. One more thing to be aware of when starting out with Excel is that you can cancel an entry by clicking the X icon next to the formula bar or by pressing Escape on your keyboard. So if I start typing in this cell and I decide I don't want to keep this entry, I'll just press Escape and the entry will be removed and the cell will remain empty. So that's how you enter data in Excel.